and we hear about it.
So this is actually something that was done at the time Ramayana Bharata. At that time, the Gurukul education was, they are working on the strengthening the basic brain parameter of the kids to increase their focus, concentration, recalling power. We have a very good example of that Mahabharata, but there one chapter of that Dhritarashtra and the Sanjay. Sanjay was able to tell what is going to happen in the war room actually. That was the same technology that we are using right now in a modern way, right? And the type of thing that we have the traditional games like we were in the North India, that was there was a game of Tota Old Man Out, there was a game of that Kancha game was there, that lots of game was there, and that the game was so productive that they're so productive that they enhance the brain sharpness of the kids. So what we are doing, we're trying to make the classes funny and try to have lots of game exercise and the meditation. And Sophia is always when Sophia is in the class, that is amazing experience with me as well. I personally love to take classes of Sophia batch as well. So Sophia, so what type of activity you did in the classes? What type of activities?
Like we did some activities like 1 to 10 or 10 to 20, like recalling of words, and we would turn those into fun games like the country names or the state names. We also did this really fun game. It was the 3-finger game. So you would have 3 fingers, and instead of 1, 2, 3, each finger would have a different value. For like 1, there would be 3, and then you would switch around each number of fingers.
Yes. So what Sophia was telling, that is so I just want to give us a little bit of introduction of what all the brain activities. Any activity that is making us confusing, that is a brain activity. So anything activity that you can shuffle the names, you can normally do in the A to Z. Now you can do Z to A. Normally you take the name, what is the spelling of name of the Bacchapanti. Now if you want you to tell the name from the backward side, that's a brain activity. Anything that is non-routine and non-pattern activity, that is the brain activity. Every parent should try this non-routine activity with their kids, that they can see amazing improvement in their kids. And I want to share that there is a huge potential in the kids, huge potential. In our whole life, we are not using more than 2.5% of the brain with a huge potential. The only thing that is responsibility of the parents, what type of opportunity and platform we are providing to kids so that we can just awake their hidden potential. It's our responsibility. We should invest in their brain, because brain is everything. Any decision we can do, that is from the brain. Any academics thing that we have to do, everything is what is brain. If this is a sharp, then everything is with